this video, I will demonstrate how to disable the ad blocker in Google Chrome on Android devices. Occasionally, disabling the ad blocker can resolve issues with certain websites or content that may not load properly. Let's begin. First, open the Google Chrome app on your Android phone or tablet. Once the app is open, locate the three dots at the top right corner of the screen and tap on them. This will open the menu. In the menu, scroll down and select the Settings option. This will open your Chrome settings. Within the settings, scroll down until you see Site Settings and tap on it. You will find various options related to how Chrome interacts with websites. Locate and tap on Intrusive Ads. Here, you will see the toggle switch for your ad blocker. Simply switch it off to disable the ad blocker in Chrome on your Android device. Please note that disabling the ad blocker may result in advertisements appearing on websites. It is a trade-off for smoother browsing on certain sites. After disabling the ad blocker, you can resume browsing as usual. If you ever wish to enable it again, follow the same steps and toggle it back on. Thank you for watching.